The 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles, and it's priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, trip computer, rear window defroster, power locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.